Install Android 16 on Lenovo Z6 Pro via LineageOS 23.
Please check the description for important notes and download links. First, download ROM and GApps packages, then transfer the downloaded files to the phone's storage. Step 2. Boot your device into TWRP recovery. Step 3. Once you're in TWRP main menu, go to Wipe, Advanced Wipe, and select the checkboxes as shown in the image excluding internal storage. Step 4. Swipe the button to wipe the device. Step 5. Go back to the Recovery main menu and tap on the Install button. Step 6. Navigate to the downloaded path and select the ROM zip file. Step 7. Finally, swipe the button on the screen to install ROM file. Step 8. Once the ROM installation finishes, return to the main menu and install the GApps zip package in the same manner. Step 9. After GApps flashing completes, select Wipe Cache/Dalvik from the bottom left side of screen and swipe to wipe. Step 10. When the wiping process is completed, hit Reboot System.
That's it! You have successfully installed the ROM on your device.